Hello everyone, this is Carla with Flywheel Motors in Olive Branch, Mississippi. What we have here is a 2002 F-150 Ford. Let's check out the tread on those tires. Not bad. As we make our way around, as you can see, we do have a little boo-boo here on the passenger door. Let's make our way on around to check out the inside. We also have a few scratchings here as well on the driver door. Alright people, we have 232,724 miles on this F-150. You also have power windows and power locks. You can also adjust the foot pedals. Cruise control on the steering wheel. AM, FM radio, as well as CD player and heating and air. We also have a sunroof. Let's check out the back. Okay, as you can see, we have gray leather seats. Also space back here for people to sit or to put things if you need to. 232,000 miles, people. Alright. So, if you would like to see pictures of this vehicle, please visit our website at flywheelmotors.com, or you can give us a call with any of your questions, 662-420-7682. You can also text us. We'll be happy to hear from you. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.